To do a real easy cut today. My wife had a request for a gallery that she's in to go ahead and do just some cats in a couple different colors. So we've laid these out and I just sort of pinwheeled them around because that's how they seem to fit. And looking at this, I'm running tape, you'll see here, but I think I'm going to run the tape just in 2 strips, just right down the middle here, which should hold enough of the cat here and enough of the cat here so that it should be nice and simple. So we're going to get this saved and let's head over and cut. Alright, first let's go ahead and get the file loaded. So it's called 4 Cats. So let's open that up. So it's about an 11-minute project here. We'll go ahead and come over to this side. And like I said, I'm running the tape down the middle. I feel pretty good about that. I think that's going to contain enough of the cat that we're not really worried about losing anything. I'll just make sure we get it nice and pushed down. Again, I keep forgetting my stupid dead blow hammer that's out in my barn. I keep meaning to grab it, so one of these days you will see me with an orange dead blow hammer in here. Okie dokie. Let's get our probe. Now I should tell you that I am using something new to me, and that is a 1/4 inch to 1/8 inch collet. So I picked up, you get 2 of them for like $8 from Amazon. In fact, I'll put a link in the description below. But I had tried really unsuccessfully to find replacement collets. I did find them on a couple of maker sites in the end, and they were like 25 to 30 bucks shipped for the compact routers. You can find them for die grinders real easy, but the compact routers, it's tough. And so rather than order that, I went ahead and I found these, which are these 1/4 inch outside to 1/8 inch inside collets. And man, these things work really well. I did some testing with them. They tighten down great on my bits, and you get 2 of them for like $8. So that is a win in my book. I'm also using these new, I'm trying some straight router bits just to see what they do instead of like an upcut or downcut. I did a little bit of testing. For whatever reason, my wife liked the way the edge of these finished a little better, so we're going to go ahead and try these cats with that. And it looked pretty good. So and I'm still running this at you know, half of an 1/8 inch diameter, so 0.0625 cutting steps at a time. But I have increased the speed to about 120 on this, and that's about where I'm comfortable with. I'm running my router at 4.5 is what I had it. I just had it moved a little bit, but 4.5 is what I've been running the router at. So let's see here. Probe. And 125, okay. So we'll get that set up. Well, that's not good. What is that doing? Hang on. Alright, let me stop this thing. I don't know why I did that. It must not have been able to sense the metal on it for some reason. So let's try this again. Maybe there's a little bit of tape on it or something. Let me see here. Yeah, I think a little bit of tape got on it, so it's not picking up. Alright, let's try this again. Probe. Every once in a while it does this to me. And I think it's just because I use the tape on the boards, it gets gummed up a little bit so it doesn't sense the electrical feel here. So that worked. I just wiped down the bit a little bit. Alright. There we go. All better. Alright, probes put away. Glasses on, earmuffs on. Alright, well, let's have some fun with this. it's looking good. We got just a couple minutes left here. That's a big cap. I think they're going to be a little bigger than she wanted. She gave me the dimensions, but I think when she sees them, they're going to be a little bigger. So, that's all right. Forget about taping down for that. That's nice stuff. Out of the way. All right. There we go. And what I've been doing is I just have this nylon brush, just kind of a stiff nylon brush, and I've just been hitting the edges for her just to clean it up just a little, you know, so you can see just any of the little bit of dust, and once in a while a little bit of the tape residue, if it's there, this just cleans it off for her, so there's just a little less work for her to do upstairs. But anyway, that's what it looks like. So no, I'm happy with that. I like those new bits. That 1/4 inch to 1/8 inch collet is really making a difference, and you know, I'm still learning, but I feel like I'm getting better with this thing, and taking a few more chances with speeds and plunge rates and stuff, and it seems to be paying off. So I appreciate all the support and comments below. So there you go. Have a great day. Talk later.